Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your order with GameStop, complete guide step by step clearly. To cancel your order with GameStop, start by visiting the GameStop website. Log into your account using your registered email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Order Histories section. Locate the order you wish to cancel from the list provided. Check the status of the order to ensure it is eligible for cancellation. If the order is still processing or hasn't shipped, click on the Cancel Order option. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. If you ordered in-store, contact the store directly to request a cancellation. Make sure to have your order confirmation number ready when speaking with the store. After submitting your cancellation, monitor your email for a confirmation message. If you don't receive a confirmation email, check your spam or junk folder. For any issues, reach out to GameStop's customer service for further assistance. Keep your order number handy for quicker resolution. Review GameStop's cancellation policy for any specific terms or conditions. Remember that digital orders typically cannot be canceled once the purchase is completed. If you encounter any difficulties, consider visiting the nearest GameStop location for help. Stay informed about your rights regarding online purchases to ensure a smooth experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.